What's up, guys? So this is probably, I think this is going to come up as our first project on the page. Just kind of give you guys an idea of some of the stuff that we do, some of our processes, tear down, building, and everything. So this is Sawyer's car. He's going to get a tube front. Had a little bit of an issue. He cut out the wheel wells and lost a bunch of structural integrity. And his lower radiator support has completely separated from the frame rails. So he has nothing supporting the bumper, nothing supporting the headlights really. The whole frame is twisting and flexing on him when he drifts. So we're just going to cut it all out, tube it, give him something that'll add a little bit of rigidity and, you know, some strength to the car again before he puts his 1J in. So yeah, let's get started on teardown. Probably do a video on teardown, video on prep for fabrication, and then we'll do one of actually building the tube front and the bash bar and all that. So check it out. So that's pretty much it. A little bit easier and faster with this one since he already had so much cut out. Everything was already pulled off. It's had a little bit of wiring to deal with, but not too bad. So the frame rails are just kind of a rough cut right now. They'll be cut back evenly. We'll rebuild the bottom section there. And then he'll get a tube from the towers down to the frame rails on each side. Radiator support bar that'll be removable. Makes it easier to pull the motor, install, things like that. Headlight brackets. Hood pin brackets. Bash bar that'll actually support the bumper. And yeah, should be a fun project, so check it out. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit the like and subscribe. Keep an eye on the projects we got going on over here. This one should be a pretty fun one, so you'll want to stay tuned. Thanks, guys.